People, my name is NJ51817 and I am making this video with my friends Shintaro and Puppet. They're actually in my house. They're just being a silent type because they're kinda stupid. Today we are making a layout of our own Five Nights at Candies. We designed it by ourselves, so don't destroy us.
Yeah, we're making videos today. We are making videos both of us.
Puppet wanted to have his own channel, but his parents won't allow it. He thinks that he might post some negative videos.
Hey.
That's why he asked me to do it. That's why he has my channel. And since I only got 2 videos.
Oh God. This is okay. Turning tonight a little speedy fast. 10 minutes and now.
Is this the place? Nope. I have to turn left. I'm so stupid. Oh wait, I have to mute the TV. Have a fun time. We're making happy fun time. Doing nothing. Just killing some pigs for fun. Okay. We have to sleep together. Because it. What? We're going to do the night shift directly or just have to sleep together?
Wait. After building a
Whee! There's only 2 chairs. Nope, I'm the only one making the video. And I'm gonna post this on YouTube.
Hey, I'm making a video.
You don't have a screen recorder.
I'm just joking.
So what? You're just gonna be a joker?
Yes.
Should have changed your name into a Joker/Puppet. A Joker Puppet. You should have changed your name like that. Oh, you need to get inside. Hey, who slashed me? Oh, I just fall down the hole in the wall. Thank you. Because I came to craft. Oh wait a sec, I gotta make a building right here. So many blocks, what should I do? Yeah. What am I gonna do? Dude, let's make a camera for the entrance. Wait. Yep, this is the entrance. Hey, what have you done? Okay. Wait for me outside.
Okay.
How am I supposed to? Hey, who's owning the night vision? Who's owning? Close that night vision. We only do that if it's already dark. Oh, who locked the night guard room again? Really?
I did not. Let's make a movie with
PvP. We're gonna do that later. Only after we survive 5 nights. Do not enter police tape. Dude, that's not how to do it. Really, that's not how to do it. Because I'm a creeper, because we are mobs, we're gonna kill you inside this stupid building. Yep, we already got the cameras. All you have to do is place the roofs on them. Oh, did you already place the roofs?
Yep.
Can someone unlock the front door?
I didn't.
Good. Getting in.
Do not enter. I will enter. I will do the night shift.
Both of us are going to do the night shift. MG Cool Guy 51817. Good at jobs. Puppet. Worst at jobs.
And he too. It's the 3 of us.
He's gonna be the stupid phone, dude. Not yet. You're disturbing our stupid conversation.
Okay, come on, let's do it. Survival. Okay, yeah. Okay.
Okay, exit your stupid map first.
Exit and put it in survival. And we are gonna do the night shift.
5 hours later.
Oh my gosh.
I'm waiting every day to finally play every
Okay, bro,
day.
it's here.
Oh. Can you play your stupid music? You know.
I'm gonna exit again.
Yeah, you know your music. Where you know, finish.
Who closed the door, please? Okay. Wait, be right back, but I see once.
Dude, you're locked. You're locked. Dude.
What?
Stephanie, yes, but we're waiting.
Hey, I'm loud.
Taran. Tan, tan, taran. Tan, tan, tan. We're waiting every night in silence. Newcomers who play with us for many years we've been all alone. Dude, we have missions that we have to let him inside the building. Well, you watch everything, and it's in survival. I have to sneak out the window. After that, open the main door. After that, we're gonna run back to the main door. We're gonna run back to the office. Okay?
Okay.
This
Hey, come on.
is an operation. There's gonna be so many mobs chasing us. I'm gonna do the operation because I'm brave.
Okay.
Oh god, they got torches and supplies and redstone. These stuff are not really good.
Understand? Come on.
Hey, let me in.
Dude, okay. You have to jump first.
Bro, close the door. Do not check everything.
Dude, hurry up. Get inside, get inside. Close this door. Come on, get in before the mobs get us. Hey! Dude, open the door. We're already here. You want us to die?
Yep.
Dude,
Don't
please.
worry, I have a pickaxe.
You got the pickaxe? Well, I only got a torch and a lever.
I have a diamond sword.
Don't kill mobs because this is a night shift.
Yeah.
Okay, there's
I'm
mobs
looking
coming.
for another job.
There's mobs.
Dude, Shintaro, you're supposed to guard the office.
I'm gonna take cameras.
Dude, there's one lever. If you press it, it will close both doors. But it might consume power. Okay, there's nothing here. Hey, Bam, status report. Where are they? There's no one in the... Come on. Okay, Shintaro. Let's just get sneaky. Oh my gosh.
What?
Oh! God, get out! Run! Yeah! Help me! Close the door! Close the damn fucking door! Oh my god, close the damn fucking door!
I told you don't go there. Oh my god.
God! Okay, I'm gonna use my special trick. Open the door. They go away. Come on, go away! Okay, let's go! Everyone go to the cameras. They might think we're not here. Don't open any night vision camera so it won't work. Or else it won't work. They might follow the light. Okay.
Okay.
Let's
No!
check.
No, don't do that vision. Don't like vision.
Oh, okay. There's only one person. Come on, let's trick them again.
Don't do night vision. No doing night vision. Because this is a night shift. No doing night
When do
vision.
I have 8 armor?
I forgot to put it on creative. Okay, there's no one in the entrance hall. So that's good. Oh yeah, there's another camera. Okay, there's someone there. Okay. Is that you, Shintaro, who's in the main hall? Dude, are you in the stage?
No.
So who's that guy watching me in the stage? Oh my god, they're so strong! And no one's in this empty room. This used to be the color
I'm
room.
in here. Why do I have a night vision?
No doing night vision. this is the night shift. Let me see the clock.
Dude, you only do the night vision for the cams because the camera has light.
It's morning. It's 6 a.m. We survived the first night. Another night is so
Dude, you have to get out of this building
Why?
to confirm that we survived.
Let's get out of the clothes. I know.
Dude, what are we gonna die of hunger? I don't have any food. I only got magma cubes. Really? I only got magma cubes. It would be okay if it was, you know. Dude, you clean. I know, you got swords and armor, right? You. Dude, we have to bust out. Okay, on your mark, get set. We have to bust out on here. We have to do a charge.
Let's go, bust out.
Okay.
Bust out.
We have to. Okay.
Come on, faster.
Okay.
Let's bust out. Faster.
Quiet. Let's sneak.
Bye-bye.
Okay. Get out! Get out! Yes! Finally! Okay, come on, let's get some supplies. Let's kill this cow. Oh, I can't kill it. Oh, why can't I kill this cow? I can't kill. Yeah. Who killed it?
Me.
Oh, you darn.
I'm gonna bust in.
I'm gonna hit you with a ladder, you darn cow. What? Lever!
I'm gonna do this.
Okay, did you mine some resources?
Me?
You get some resources by food. And then get back inside. Oh god. Close. Ah!
Let me in.
No!
No way. Yes. I'm in.
No! Open the door! I respawned and I'm out of the building. We're out of the building. We died from a zombie. You see us, you see. Okay, you help me bust in. Oh, open the door.
I can't because I'm in trouble. Can I use the diamond pickaxe?
Dude, use the trick I taught you. Man, how am I supposed? I can get out the camera system. But I can't hack to get in. Oh, wait. What? No one put the door in the parking area? Really?
Yeah.
What am I going to do?
Oh, I'm trapped here. Oh no. Let's use the pickaxe.
No. Okay, let's use the pickaxe on the office area. Okay, over here. Okay, over here, Shitaru. Open this. Mine this place. Mine that one. Yay, mine it. Yes, we're in. Oh, we need to get my stuff back. Oh. Ah! Help me, Shitaru.
I'm running for it. Oh, good.
Why can't I punch mobs? I hate myself glitching. Can someone open the night guard room again? Shintaro! Come here, please.
Oh no!
Shintaro, come on! Just open the door. Or do I have to dig myself in? Oh wait, the floor is made out of blocks. How am I supposed to dig? What?
I'm gonna die! Oh no! There's only something.
Dude, open the main door now!
Okay, inside.
Oh gosh.
Oh no!
Oh my gosh.
Oh god, I got your sword! I got an arrow to defend. Dude, grab these arrows to defend yourself. You can just punch them.
I have an idea.
Okay, empty bottles.
Everybody, go to the main office. Go to the office.
Dude, you defend yourself with your pickaxe.
Go to the main office. I'm gonna exit first. I'm
much.